What is up, you magnificent bastards, and welcome back to the Drunken Rant Uncensored.
Woo!
I'm your host, Liam,
Woo!
and as always, I am completely shit-faced.
And I'm Olivia, and let's just say, I'm feeling pretty damn good myself.
Tonight, we're diving into a story about some furry little heroes saving the damn day.
Oh!
Get ready for Otter-ly amazing. Those fuzzy bastards are saving our coast.
Sounds like someone's been hitting the sauce a little early, Liam.
Hey, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right?
Oh, that's right!
But seriously, folks, this is some seriously interesting stuff. We've got a stack of articles here about how sea otters are kicking some serious invasive crab ass off the California coast.
Before we get too far, let's break down what we've got and why it matters. You know those adorable sea otters?
Mm-hmm.
Well, they might be tiny, but they've got a huge appetite.
Yeah.
And it turns out that appetite could be a secret weapon against a nasty invasive species, the European green crab.
Invasive species.
Yeah.
Sounds like a bunch of goddamn communist crabs trying to take over our waters.
Okay, maybe not communists, Liam, but these green crabs are a real problem. They're like the mob moving in and taking over. They push out the native species, gobble up resources, and wreck the whole damn ecosystem.
So these crabs are like the jerks at the bar who try to hit on your girl when you're in the bathroom.
Pretty much, Liam. Except, instead of stealing your girl, they're screwing up the delicate balance of our coastal waters.
Well, those crabs are messing with the wrong ecosystem. And that's where our furry little heroes come in, right?
Exactly. Scientists have been studying these otters in a place called Elkhorn Slough. It's an estuary in California, basically a super important nursery for all sorts of marine life.
Mm-hmm.
And guess what? They found a direct link between the number of otters and the number of green crabs.
Wait, hold on. You're telling me these cuddly little bastards are like the hitmen of the sea taking out these crab goons?
Not exactly hitmen, Liam, but you're getting the idea. This researcher, Rick Jeppesen, she was studying the green crab explosion in Elkhorn Slough.
Yeah.
Their numbers were off the charts. But then something interesting happened.
Okay.
The otters moved back in and the crabs started disappearing.
Get the fuck out of here. No way!
Yeah.
Seriously, those adorable little furballs are kicking crab ass.
Dead serious, Liam. And get this, they did it just by doing what they do best. Eating. Apparently, those otters can pack away a ridiculous amount of crab.
So how much crab are we talking about here? Like a bucket a day? It's extra full.
Think bigger, Liam. A single otter can eat up to 25% of its body weight in food every day.
What?
And a group of just 100 otters in Elkhorn Slough, they can demolish somewhere between 50,000 and 120,000 green crabs a year.
Holy shit, that's a goddamn crab massacre. Those otters are like tiny little eating machines.
It's pretty impressive, right? And it highlights just how powerful these natural relationships can be.
Mm-hmm.
Bringing back native predators like the sea otter can have a massive ripple effect on the whole ecosystem.
Okay, Olivia, you're using big words again. Remember, we're drunk. So basically what you're saying is the otters are like the bouncers of the ecosystem. They toss out the troublemakers and keep things running smoothly.
Exactly, Liam. They're the muscle, keeping those pesky green crabs in check.
I like it. The otter mafia. They make those crabs an offer they can't refuse.
Okay, maybe not the mafia, Liam, but you get the idea. These otters are playing a crucial role in protecting our coastal ecosystems.
All right, Olivia, you've convinced me. I'm officially on Team Otter. But how the hell did those scientists figure all this out? Did they, like, put tiny little cameras on the otters and follow them around?
That would be pretty awesome, Liam.
Right.
But they used a slightly more scientific approach. They mapped out where the otters were hanging out and then compared that to where they were finding the most green crabs. They also used some fancy computer models to simulate how the otters were impacting the crab population.
So they were like otter detectives tracking down those crab criminals.
Something like that, Liam. They were able to piece together the evidence and show just how effective these otters are at controlling the green crab invasion.
All right, folks, there you have it. Sea otters, the adorable assassins of the sea, taking down invasive species, one delicious crab at a time.
Yeah.
Who knew those cute little otters were such fierce predators?
It just goes to show that you can't judge a book by its cover. Or in this case, an otter by its cuteness.
Well said, Olivia. All right, folks, that's all the otter wisdom we've got for you tonight. But before we sign off, we want to hear from you. What do you think about using otters and other predators to fight invasive species? Is it a brilliant idea, or are we just a bunch of drunk idiots? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed tonight's Drunken Rant.
Cheers to that, Olivia. And remember, folks, drink responsibly, don't mess with otters, and stay wild.